Hello and welcome to Shoprider Mobility. Today we'll be introducing the all-new Echo folding scooter designed with the on-the-go person in mind. With an overall folded height of just over 29 inches and a total weight of 58.5 pounds including the batteries, the Echo folding scooter is compact enough and light enough to fit into the back seat, trunk, or rear space of virtually any vehicle. Whether traveling around town or around the world, the Echo folding scooter solves the problem of transporting your personal motorized scooter. For any user up to 200 pounds, the Echo folding scooter has a top speed of 4 miles per hour and a tight 36-inch turning radius for maximum maneuverability indoors or out. The Echo folding scooter folds away with ease, so be sure to check out our additional video detailing the simple steps to fold the unit and open it up for use.